Industrial fleets are moving to cleaner and more efficient electric vehicles. But modern fleets demand smarter operations. Manual charging slows down workflows, causing vehicle downtime, safety risks, and operational inefficiencies. This creates a bottleneck. Get more from your fleet. Meet the Rocsys S2, the next generation hands-free charging solution for heavy-duty electric fleets. Rugged. A robust construction with IP-rated components, adaptable force absorption, and a 7-motor controller architecture for safe, consistent, and predictable performance. Open. A compact design that's easy to install and fits into existing site infrastructure with a wide range of motion that adapts to different inlet heights and parking variations. Integrates with any EV across mixed fleets and any charger type. And reliable. Computer vision and motion intelligence provide precise connections in any environment, backed by more than 6 years of real-world data recordings and advanced software for trustworthy plugins. With over 99.9% plugin success rate, powered by the Rocsys platform. An ecosystem delivering seamless control through the Rocsys portal and APIs, alongside remote and on-site services. So you can optimize throughput, maximize uptime, and improve safety to drive growth. Built on proven field experience across multiple industries. From ports to distribution. Unlock new levels of efficiency and boost your potential. Always charged, always ready.